This is a lovely little snack that I've come across, and I actually make it once a week now because it is so good. The best thing about it is you only need 3 ingredients. This is called banana and chocolate bark with a crunchy granola top. So I've got a little bit of baking paper onto a tray and some fresh bananas. So I'm just going to open up the bananas, and we want to cut them into rounds. You want them to be about 1 centimetre thick, and we're just going to line our tray with the bananas. I want these to be roughly the same size because I want them to be quite level as I lay them onto the baking paper. So the little pieces at the end we'll get rid of and just place them side by side. We'll start with 4. Just make sure that they're touching because after this freezes, you want to be able to snap the bark. So just keep that together. And the last few pieces of banana. Once you've formed that rectangle, it's time for the chocolate. Now I've got some dark chocolate here. Use really good quality dark chocolate. I've just melted it in the microwave, and I'm going to drizzle this chocolate over our slices of banana. You can fill in the gaps if you like. So do allow it to cool down slightly too, just so it's not too hot. And then with the back of the spoon, we'll just spread that out. This is where the magic happens. We're going to bind it now with crunchy granola. I love this granola. It's got cacao in it, coconut, and it's also gluten-free. In fact, this whole snack is gluten-free. So now we'll just grab a nice generous handful and we'll sprinkle it over. This is full of little rice puffs and loads of nuts. It's fantastic by itself, but also a great crunchy topping for our chocolate and banana bark. That's looking quite good. You can see where it gets the bark name from. It's not ready yet. Now you have to be very patient. It goes into the freezer and just chill it until it's snap frozen. All right, the bark is ready, and we'll just take it straight off the baking paper. And you can just break it up, but I find it just easier with a serrated knife. I'm just gonna chop it into little chunks. Oh, listen to that. And have a look at that. Who would have thought 3 ingredients could be so tasty? Banana, melted chocolate, and a really good quality granola makes this the perfect snack for any time of the day.